All right, here we have a vintage Zero table fan. Zero is one of the brand that we had growing up, so it always kind of holds a special spot. This is a frightening little thing, as most of these were back in the day. Really is impressive that these were ever sold new. I mean, there's like nothing to just go right through it. But this is in really nice shape, except for the, grill being literally 1950s zip tied together. And originally did not have a switch. I added one, but there's really not a whole ton to say about this. The feet are there, but yet it vibrates so much that it just shakes all over and moves when it's on a hard surface. So I would either wall mount it, but this is more of a display piece for the collection. We'll go ahead and run it. There's only one speed, and you can see just how wild this thing can get. It's got a really nice spin down time. The motor itself's in really nice shape. It just, it's just the way that they were designed. It just kind of moves everywhere. And there is a hole to mount it on the wall. So, they were kind of designed to be on the wall. We'll give you a reverse shot. So, yeah, it's super cool. I break it out if I really need it, but for the most part, it's a really nice decoration, really nice collection piece. Super happy to have it. Thank you for watching, and keep on checking them out.